let's connect the Ooni Koda 2 Max gas-powered outdoor pizza oven to its gas supply and get it ready to fire up. First, make sure both control dials are in the off position. Use a propane cylinder under 20 pounds, keeping it at least 25 inches away from the oven. Start by checking the valve, regulator, and hose for any damage or debris. Attach the regulator to the gas cylinder by rotating the hand nut counterclockwise. Open the cylinder valve to release the gas. Do a safety check by applying soapy water to the connections. Bubbles means there's a leak. If you see any, turn off the gas, tighten the fittings, or contact support. Test again after tightening. If everything checks out, you're ready to light. Push and hold one of the control dials while slowly rotating counterclockwise. You hear the gas ignite. Hold for 5 seconds and maintain the flame. If it doesn't ignite, turn it off, wait 5 minutes, and try it again. Adjust the flame using the control dial and repeat for the second burner. Before cooking, season the Koda 2 Max by running it at max temperature for 30 minutes. Let it cool completely, then wipe down the inside with a dry paper towel. Always wear proper gloves when reaching into the oven.